Hi, this is Richard Campbell from Run As Radio, .NET Rocks, and Windows Weekly. I'm here with my friend Scott Hanselman, who almost has as long a podcast list as I do. Laura, you and I have been teachers for forever, and you've been a part of DEVintersection since we came up with the name in 2011, 2012.
Yeah, a
But
very
the
long
intersection
time.
was different then.
Yeah. Right now, we're lying at this intersection of classical software and AI. And
Mhm.
Scott Hunter and I are going to do a talk and have a conversation about what is it that software development looks like next year.
Yeah, which I think is on everyone's mind. It's been since the ChatGPT thing, since 2022. And I mean, GitHub Copilot was even before that. But now, this past year, we're really seeing incredible results, and it makes you really think about what your work as a developer looks like.
Yeah, and I think that there's a lot of analogies that people are using, like what if a million monkeys had a million typewriters, would they eventually
Mm.
write C sharp? We are in that place where you throw enough GPU power at something, you will get spicy autocomplete. The question
Mhm.
is, can you give spicy autocomplete enough context that it will help you do your job, or will it just make your job more annoying?
Yeah.
Is an AI copilot an eager intern, or is it an actual helpful copilot or a rubber duck? I've got a rubber duck that sits on my
Not that a
monitor
rubber
that I
duck's a
brainstorm
bad
with.
thing, but I
Yeah.
think we're seeing folks get better results than that.
Yeah, and it's getting better and better. The question is, what does our job look like?
Mhm.
I am confident in my ability to do interesting work, regardless of whether the tedium gets done for me. My question is going to be, what does it mean for the early in career people? Because how do you get 30 years of experience if you're only just coding via vibes? I use the analogy about driving stick shift. What is your
Sure.
relationship with the vehicle if you Uber around and one day the car breaks down?
Yeah, and I've been talking to a few young developers, and it's almost like they have to unlearn and go back to what they originally got in development for, which was to provide solutions to people.
Yeah.
That the coding wasn't the goal, and these tools just give you a new approach to get to solutions.